Hello guys, welcome in this new tutorial. Today we will see how to make a deep sky pic from AstroPanel. Here we have the nebulosa M42 that is on Orion's sword. So we're going to see how to fuse and elaborate the pic just with AstroPanel. So first we click on the fusion, then sky stack, then light, and we select our lights. If you have dark OBS, let's do the same. Now, alignment on, alignment helper on, and dual pass alignment on. Alignment precision 5 pixels. Lens correction on and chromatic aberration on. And now place. Now we wait the software to Okay, in this area you see over here, we have to put it on the nearest star. Image regulation, edge, okay. These are the stars. And now we have to put the edge on a value that will make the stars as circle as possible. For me it's 151, and then in freehold put it in 151. Now confirm. Now once we click on start, we'll have all the lights edited by AstroPanel here in this pic. Now I'm not showing you the process because it could take a long. If you have maybe an old notebook, it will last a lot of time, so we skip this pass just to make this video quicker. Now we select Astro. Now, RC, so we reset colors. We can check for the difference between then and now. We can also remove the green gradient, but we have to downgrade the opacity because we have this little bit of dominance of green, so we merge levels. As we can see in this peak, we have a lot of light noise. So we click on false flat 1. The peak is so noisy because it wasn't that dark where I took it. Now we have to remove this color. It seems to be yellow, so we click on 50. And we can see the difference between then and now. Now we're going to do a dynamic stretch, so click on dynamic and we can see the difference. We merge levels. Now we are going to select all the stars to make them the more circles. Now we click on select, and then on filter, because it reduce a little bit of stars and make better the nebulosa. And you can see the stars. Now merge the levels. If we don't like the result, we can do it again by pressing again select and then filter again. You can see the difference. Now we merge levels. Now we're going to use Precision Details Boost. We're going to upgrade the dark and the light. So click on Boost. We select a white panel, a white brush, sorry, and then with 70% of opacity, we do this job. We don't have to be perfect with the precision. Naturally, this is quick just because it's for the tutorial. You can see the difference. We merge levels. Now on color balance, we select deep because it's deep sky. And we have now this kind of dominance of red in the picture. So we click on saturate red, and again with the white brush we click on the red zone. You see the difference between then and now. We can also downgrade the opacity if you like it. And we can do it again with the blue ones. Always with the white brush, with 70% of opacity. Okay, we have done with Astro. Now it's Pro time. Let's make a Balance Pro. We're gonna erase this red dominance. But we're not working on the nebulosa. So Balance Pro, you can see the difference. Merge levels. Now we're checking for some digital noise. Reduce noise. Wait until processing. We have to downgrade the opacity to not lose the details of the peak. For me, like 35% is okay, and I merge levels. Now we're going to erase the A's, so remove A's, okay, and you can see we have to downgrade the opacity also here because we lose a lot of details with this kind of process. We merge levels, okay. Now we are going to create a high pass filter, so we click on high pass and now we can select the range, and we have also a pre-show of the peak. Okay, you can see the difference of the details in the peak, so we can merge levels. And now we make a contrast pro. We're trying to make it 3D. There you go, you will see the difference of the nebulosa here. So this kind of function is working on all the black. So we are going on the mask. We go on the mask, black pen, black brush, and we pass over here where you see that the black is different. Okay. We see the difference over here. We merge levels. Now we click on Exposure Pro. You see the difference. To give it more exposure, we merge levels. So this is the difference between the start and near the end of the peak. We don't have any noise, any haze, we don't have anything. So I thank you guys. If you like this video, enjoy it, and please subscribe to the channel and follow me with turning on my notification for new videos. Thank you guys.